Imagine capturing every second on the road with crystal clear footage, whether it is a sudden car crash, a scenic drive, or an unexpected moment that demands proof. In today's video, we're diving into the best dash cams of 2025, from cutting-edge 4K models to budget-friendly options perfect for everyday drivers, Uber pros, and commuters alike. Whether you're looking for the best front and rear dash cam, a sleek mirror-style cam, or the top-rated models like the VIOFO A229 or Umber T1, we've got you covered. Stay tuned, because your next dash cam upgrade starts here. All product links are in the description below. Hit that bell icon and subscribe for more honest reviews. 5. Texlon Dash Cam 4K 3-channel dash camera. Rounding out our list of the best dash cams 2025, the Texlon 4K 3-channel dash camera offers superior video quality with a user-friendly setup. It records in crisp 4K resolution from the front and 1080p from the interior and rear, providing comprehensive evidence for any incident. This model includes a 3.16-inch IPS screen, G-sensor, super night vision, and GPS tracking. With motion detection and loop recording, it ensures critical moments are never missed. The camera supports up to 256 GB SD cards and has built-in Wi-Fi for easy footage review via its app. Its sleek, compact design fits most vehicles without obstruction. Whether you're protecting your family or tracking business vehicle activity, Texlon offers reliability and premium features at a reasonable price. 4. SPLEF 4-channel dash cam. Standing out with an impressive 4-channel recording system, the SPLEF 4-channel dash cam offers unmatched coverage for serious drivers. Capturing front, rear, left, and right views simultaneously, this camera ensures that nothing goes unnoticed, making it a unique option among the best dash cams 2025. The 1080p HD resolution across all 4 channels provides comprehensive footage, and the included 64 GB SD card means you're ready to go right out of the box. It also supports voice control, loop recording, G-sensor activation, and parking monitoring. Its wide dynamic range enhances video clarity in various lighting conditions. Whether you're navigating busy highways or parked overnight, SPLEF delivers full vehicle protection that's perfect for fleet drivers, rideshare services, or anyone who values complete security. 3. VFO A229 4K 3-channel dash cam. The VFO A229 4K 3-channel dash cam is a top-tier option for those needing full vehicle coverage in a single package. It records 4K front and 1080p rear and interior views simultaneously, making it one of the most advanced models in the Best Dash Cams 2025 category. The inclusion of Sony image sensors across all lenses ensures stellar video clarity, especially in low-light conditions. Its parking surveillance mode and motion detection capabilities provide 24/7 protection, while the GPS tracking feature adds another layer of safety for daily commutes or long road trips. It also includes voice control and dual-band Wi-Fi for quick access to footage. Whether you're a rideshare driver or a security-conscious motorist, the A229 is a smart investment with professional-grade features. 2. VFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. If you're after professional-grade performance, the VFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam is a front-runner in the Best Dash Cams 2025 lineup. Equipped with Sony Starvis 2 sensors, it delivers ultra-sharp 4K front and 1080p rear footage even in low light, making it ideal for both day and night driving. The A229 Pro also features advanced parking mode, buffered recording, GPS logging, and voice notifications. Great for tech-savvy users who want reliable and responsive features. The built-in Wi-Fi and VIOFO app make video downloading and customization seamless. Its discreet design blends well with most car interiors, and the quality of construction reflects its premium status. For drivers who demand high-resolution footage with dependable performance, this dash cam is worth every penny. 1. Umber T1 4K 3-channel dash cam. The Umber T1 4K 3-channel dash cam is a fantastic contender among the best dash cams 2025, offering comprehensive coverage with its front, inside, and rear cameras. This model records an ultra-clear 4K for the front and 1080p for both rear and cabin views, ensuring every angle is captured in crisp detail. Its standout features include loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, and infrared night vision, making it perfect for rideshare drivers and families alike. The wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots, and a parking monitoring function adds an extra layer of protection when your vehicle is unattended. It also supports up to 256 gigabytes micro SD, ideal for extended footage. With its intuitive interface and high video quality, the Umber T1 is a strong all-rounder, especially for users seeking a 3-channel setup in one compact device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. All product links are in the description below. Check them out and choose the one that fits your needs. Safe driving, and we'll see you in the next video.